Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Fraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create door cutouts. Okay, so as you can see here in this plan, you can see we have to make these cutout to adjust the doors. Okay, so let's get started. Let's check the door frame. Here you can see the thickness of door frame is 56.25, and then we will check the door size as well. Here you can see we have to make the cutout for D4. Okay, D4 here and D4. Let's check the size of D4 first. Okay, so the D4 size is 750 mm. Okay, so we have to make cutout of 750 mm after door frame. Okay, so first we will make a door frame here. Okay, then we will just give a width of 750 mm for D4. So let's open the AutoCAD and I will start from here. Okay, I have to just give the door here. So what I will do, I will just zoom in this one little bit. I will give a command of line. So I want to give here a door frame. Okay, so I will make line here, then I will give a offset of O enter, then 56.25, that is for door frame. I will hit enter, then I will just give a offset here. Okay, this is for door frame. Now we need the cutout of 750 mm for D4, so O enter, 750 enter. Okay, so I will create this cutout. Okay, then I will just delete this unnecessary line. This was reference to make a door frame, so I will just trim these lines to make cutout. Okay, TR enter, right click, and then I will trim this one. Okay, so this is how you can make a cutout. Again I will go here and let's see what are the other doors. So this is D4 also here to go into the open area. So what I will do, I will just go into the AutoCAD drawing, and then I will create a cutout here as we did before. So I will make a line here, O enter, 56.25 enter, then we will create this door frame, then O enter, and 750 for D4 enter, and I will give this. Okay, TR enter, right click, then we have to just delete this one. Okay, that is how we can create cutout for doors. Okay, now let me just trim this one as well. Okay, let me just trim this one. Okay, now let's just create a cutout here as well. Let's see here. Okay, yes, we have to create a cutout here as well. So I will go here, line enter. Okay, this point, O enter, 56.25 for door frame. Okay, and this one, and O enter, 750, that is the width of D4 enter, and I will give this point and this point, trim. Okay, I will trim this one and I will delete this one. Okay, now again let's see what are the other doors. Okay, 1 2 3 cutouts are just created. Now we have to just create D3 here. Okay, so let's see what is the size of D3. I will go here in schedule and I will check the D3 size. 900 mm is the D3. Okay, size. So I will go here and I will create here a door of 900 mm width. Okay, here. So I will just give a reference line here. Okay, O enter, then cutout 6.25. Okay, for door frame, sorry, and then O enter, 900 for door width. Okay, and I will give this point and this point, and then I will trim this one and this one also. Okay, now we have to just create here as well. So for that I will just give line command. Okay, O enter, 56.25 for door frame, and then we have to just give a width of 900 for D3. Okay, and then I will give this point, then trim. I will trim unnecessary lines. Okay, I will delete this one. Now let's see again what are the other doors. We have to just insert a door here as well, here as well. So let's see what are the doors here. Also D3 and D3 in both in store and kitchen as well. Now what I will do, I will just enter a line command here. O enter, 56.25 enter, then O enter, 900 enter. Okay, door width, then I will trim this one. Okay, this one. Okay, and I will delete this one. Now again here as well, I'll enter. So O enter, 56.25, O enter, 900 mm enter. Okay, then this point I will delete this one. Okay, and again one more thing, door should be open on the wall side. Okay, this is the wall side and it should be open in this direction. Okay, for example, it will be open in this direction and it will be closed in this direction. Okay, so again let's see what are the other doors and what is the destination. Now the next door here is, this is also D3, so in drawing room, so I will go here. Okay, I will go here and I will create here as well. L enter. Okay, O enter. 56.25 enter. O enter. 900 enter. Trim enter. Okay, and I will delete this one. Now here we have to just create D1. You can see here, sorry, D2. Okay, we have to create D2 as well here. Okay, so let's see what is the width of D2. And so the width of D2 here is 1200 mm. Okay, so let's see what is the space, total space. So DL. Okay, the total space here is 1500 mm. Okay, so let's see 1500 minus 1200 divided by 2. So we have to just make a wall around both side 150 mm including door frame. Okay, 150 mm for both side. So let's see how to do this. I will just use O enter 150 on this side. Okay, and 150 on this side. Okay, now what I will do, I will just extend these lines, EX enter. Okay, again I will extend and I will extend and up to this level, okay. So then I will just trim unnecessary lines. I will trim this one, this as well, okay, and this as well. Now let's delete this one and this one, okay, and this one. So we have just make a cutout for D2 as well. Okay, now let's make a cutout for windows. So I will just go here. Okay, I will just check. I will start from here. Okay, so you can see first window here is W1, so we will start from here. So let's see what is the offset from here. So 900 millimeter is the offset. Then we have to check the window size. So for what I will do, I will go here and I will create a window here. Take a line command, 900 from this direction, or enter 900. Okay, then I will give this point, and what I will do, I will just go here in this plan and I will see what is the size of window 1. Okay, so size of window 1 here is 1500 mm. Okay, so I will go again here, O enter 1500 mm enter, and I will just give offset from this point to this point and I will delete this one. Now again we have to make a cutout for, let me just delete this one, cutout for rest of windows. So here is one more window, so let's see what is the destination, and I will just go here, let me just move here, and I will see this is W2 and 300 is the offset. So I will go here and I will make a line 300, O enter 300 enter, then I will give this point. Okay, then we have to check what is the size of W2. So let me just zoom out a little bit. I will go here and the size of W2 here is 1200 mm. Okay, so I will go again here, O enter 1200 enter, then we will just create here trim and I will delete this one and I will delete this one as well. Okay, now we have to just create one more window. So let's see where is that window. I will go here in this plan and let me check that window as well. So here is one more window. You can see this is the window and the offset distance is 150. You can see here 150 mm. So after that we will create a window. So here is this window. Let me just paint here, L enter. Okay, and then O enter 150 is the distance. Okay, from this point to this point. Then let me check that what is the size of that window, W3. Okay, so let me check that one, and the size here is Okay, size here is W3 900 mm. Okay, O enter 900 mm enter, trim enter, and I will delete this one. So we are done by this. We have created all of the cutouts here. So let me check it again from here. Okay, so we have just created everything here. You can see. Let me check it out. Okay, doors. Okay, we have to just make a cutout for ventilator as well here. So the offset distance is 378.46 from this point to this point. 378.46. Okay, OL enter 46, and I will give this point, and then let me check that what is the width of that ventilator one. Okay, so I will go here and I will just check ventilator one is 600 mm. Okay, O enter 600 enter, then we will create ventilator here, trim, and I will delete these extra lines. I will delete this one as well. Okay, so we are done by this. We have created every cutout here. Now in next part we will just create a doors and windows as well. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.